Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will read this poem, Don't Tell. So, this poem is about a young one. The poem Don't Tell is an emotional poem. Let's start. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up, and I will show them all one day. I could show them now if they give me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried, but nobody knows what I am really a giant inside. Now, see, there are lots of things they won't let me do. I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am grown up. I am all grown up, and I will show them all one day. So this little boy means this young boy listen to everyone patiently and protest their adult behave very unreasonable with me. So this boy was very young in all of them. He thinks that I am not big enough yet, but they say I listen patiently to everyone. But they all adults behave with me unreasonable because of his size, because he is very small. He is young in all of them. The young boy wishes to tell them all that he is capable to do everything that he wanted to show his capacity to do everything. So, he wanted to do everything and he wanted to show everyone that he can do everything. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried, but nobody knows what I am really a giant inside. So, now the young boy wishes that he want to show his capacity to do everything once they will give the chance to this young boy. Once he will grown up, then he wanted to show them all that he can do everything. He indeed giant from inside. What he can do, what others cannot imagine. He was thinking, when I will grown up, I will show them all that what I can do, that you all cannot imagine at all what I can do. I can do everything. Okay? So this young boy wanted to do everything that he wishes. But here the adult ones, they were not thinking that they are unable to do the things because they are small. Okay, so this is the story is about a young boy. Don't tell. It is an emotional story. Okay, herein the boy wanted to do everything, but the adult ones couldn't give permission to do everything. Okay. So, the young boy wanted to show them all that he can do everything. Okay. So, keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.